Stop dreaming about the perfect road trip. Start planning it today with these breathtaking routes. First up, the iconic Route 66. Spanning 2,400 miles from Chicago to California, this legendary highway is packed with history, neon signs, and classic American diners. Next, cruise along Italy's Amalfi Coast. Think winding roads, dramatic cliffs, and picturesque towns like Positano and Ravello. It's a Mediterranean dream. For the thrill-seekers, the Karakoram Highway awaits. Connecting Pakistan and China, this high-altitude route offers jaw-dropping views of the Himalayas. Adventure guaranteed. Now, let's head south to the Andes Mountains. From Peru to Argentina, you'll drive through diverse terrains and ancient ruins like Machu Picchu. It's a journey through history and stunning landscapes. Ready to hit the road, Sam? Pick the right vehicle, plan your route, pack smart, and always leave room for adventure. Which road trip is on your bucket list? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more travel inspiration.